Welcome back to the channel. I have a new air purifier from Partu to look at today. It's portable, lightweight, and offers 3-stage filtration. This is the Partu BS-03 Air Purifier. It is designed to capture dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and other odors. It filters particles as small as 0.3 microns. It is designed to allow you to add essential oils to enjoy aromatherapy. So here is a closer look at the units. We're going to look at the controls first. So as you can see, there are 5 buttons here. Of course, the big important one is the on-off. Right there. Now there appears to be 3 speeds. This is the highest one, number 3. This is the lowest one, number 1. As you can see, you can barely hear it. And then number 2, which is the medium one. Now the light button right here, you can choose to turn the lights on or off. I think this is best if you want to use it as a night light or be able to see the options at night. Of course, you would turn that on. There is a reset filter button right here. Now this does come with a user manual where you can find out how to change the filter, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. First, I'm going to show you how to use the aromatherapy feature on here. For me, this is pretty unique, but all you have to do is take this portion off. On the top, oops, just turned it on. On the top, you're going to see there's a little arrow. Helps you know where to line it up later. But I just take this off. And there is a sponge right there. Now all you have to do is put maybe a drop or 2 of the essential oil of your choice, put the top back on, make sure stuff is lined up so it goes back in, and you are set. Like I said, I do think that's a pretty unique feature. I haven't seen it on an air purifier. I believe I saw it on a humidifier or a dehumidifier, one of those. But if you do like to have that aromatherapy, that's a great feature to have. Now, here is how you change the filter. First, you want to make sure, of course, that your device is off. But then turn it upside down. And you'll notice that there's an unlock and a lock. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it to unlock and of course take the bottom off. Here your filter is. So it should be changed every 3 to 6 months, and there will be a link in the description for replacement filters, just in case you come back to this video or you want to buy some extra. There is 3-stage filtration. There is the pre-filter, a HEPA filter, and a carbon filter. So you are definitely going to pick up all of the things you need to get rid of. Alright, so pretty easy to change. Don't have to really worry about anything there, but we're going to put everything back together, pretty simple. Now this works effectively for an area that's up to 107 square feet. As you can see, it's small enough to fit on a tabletop or maybe even under your desk. It's 11.4 inches tall and has a diameter of 6.3 inches. I would definitely say this has a sleek, attractive design. You're not going to have to worry about it clashing with any decor, of course. Alright, so here's a look at the unit. It's kind of cylindrical in shape, but here has the regular AC cord, nothing too fancy, but yeah. Alright, so that's a look at the Partu BS-03 Air Purifier. Please check the description section below for more information. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.